Hello, welcome to this video on transport layer. In this video, I will talk about transport layer, which is a very vital component of the TCP/IP model, which ensures seamless communication between different applications on our devices. Now, in this video, I will break down the key concepts of transport layer from the services it provides to the protocols like TCP and UDP. So let's go ahead. The first topic I would like to discuss is services provided by the transport layer. Now, the transport layer is like a helpful middleman between applications on different gadgets. It helps them to talk to each other using special rules which are called protocols such as TCP and UDP. Now, TCP is like the cautious friend who makes sure every message gets there safely. Perfect for important stuff like sending files. Whereas on the other hand, UDP is like the speedy delivery person, great for things like online gaming and streaming video, where speed matters more rather than getting every message exactly right. It ensures that messages sent from one application reach their destination securely. TCP guarantees that data arrives intact and in the correct order, making it ideal for applications where accuracy is very crucial. Whereas UDP, it prioritizes speed over reliability. The next topic is transport layer multiplexing and demultiplexing. Now, multiplexing is like packing different messages into one big box for sending them over the internet. It's like putting all your friends' letters into one envelope to save on a postage. Whereas demultiplexing is when the receiver opens the big box and separates each message to give it to the right person. This way, lots of applications can share the same internet connection without getting mixed up. It's like sorting out a big pile of mail and making sure that each letter goes to the right address. And the next topic is UDP, that is User Datagram Protocol. It is like the fast lane of the internet. It's perfect for sending messages quickly between the devices, even if some bits get lost along the way. Imagine sending a text message with a few typos but getting there super fast. That's what UDP does. It's often used for things like playing games online and streaming videos, where speed is more important than making sure that every single piece of the data arrives perfectly. On the other hand, TCP, that is Transmission Control Protocol, is like the careful driver of the internet. It's all about making sure that when you send something, it gets to where it needs to go safely and in the right order. Just like when you mail a package, TCP checks to see if everything arrived okay by looking for any mistakes, kind of like checking a list to make sure nothing is missing. It's great for things like sending emails or sharing files because it makes sure that everything arrives exactly as it should. The next topic I would like to discuss is TCP congestion control. Now, think of TCP like a traffic cop on internet highways. Its job is to make sure that the roads don't get too crowded with data, just like how a traffic cop manages cars on the road. When there's too much data trying to squeeze through the internet, TCP slows the things down a bit to prevent a traffic jam. This way, everyone's messages can get through without getting stuck in a big pile-up. It's all about keeping things moving smoothly so that you can browse the web, stream videos, and chat without any hiccups. The next topic is sockets. Sockets are like the virtual phone lines that let the programs on different gadgets to talk to each other over the internet. They're kind of like the wires that connect the telephones, but for computers. With sockets, applications can send messages back and forth just like having a conversation over the phone. So basically, it is an endpoint which serves for a dual communication. They make it easy for programs to share information and work together. For example, if you are using a chat application, sockets help your messages travel from your device to your friend's device so that you can chat in real time. Whether it's sending files, playing games online, or browsing the web, sockets make sure that everything connects smoothly, like managing your calls go through without any static. To sum it all up, I would just like to say that the transport layer is super important for making sure that our applications can talk to each other nicely on different gadgets. It helps them share messages smoothly and reliably. Understanding how it works, especially with TCP and UDP, helps us see how everything fits together on the internet. Just like knowing how cars drive on the road helps us understand the traffic, knowing about the transport layer helps us understand how data moves around the internet. I just hope this video made it easier for you to understand how this all works. Thank you for watching.